Ka Russia bat ka China kilaweng Persia ay karaja ka United Nations Security Council kabat tumuan plibyang ya kaduriang Hormuz. Kani karay kabalawan ra ada kabarin kalayo kadwengut kivut kibakersyan Henry kala pulam bat kamsyam lala ban urlong namar ka jing Persia. Ka Pakistan bat ka Colombia ru kila kentat. Kani ka jingja kalawan ra ka jing e ka pertay ban penbahabiang ya ka jing ya jingyang jong kaway na kilenti bakong santam ha ka pertay na kabenta ka jing sam penyang.
The resolution is balanced, and it doesn't even touch upon the root cause of the situation, and then in a very unbalanced manner only accuse Iran, and also I want to emphasize, in particular, the timing is very bad. We all heard what the U.S. president has said, and against this background, we think it is extremely dangerous for the Security Council to adopt a resolution like this.